Welcome to the FactoryHelp channel, Ammonia Refrigeration Screw Compressor. The new Ammonia Screw Compressor series, provided by FactoryHelp Spare Parts, supplier for demanding operations in industrial refrigeration, air conditioning, and heat pump applications. High-quality roller bearings are designed for long life and exceptional robustness. Large contact areas ensure even force distribution, while low friction losses contribute to outstanding efficiency. The proven shaft seal with bellows ensures high sealing performance and durability. The OSA 95 features active oil management for maximum reliability, especially at operating limits, and optimized suction and discharge connections to minimize flow losses. Operating an optional economizer mode further enhances cooling capacity and efficiency. The integrated double slider technology allows automatic adjustment of the internal volume ratio, enabling smooth capacity control from 25% to 100% and reducing annual operating costs. The IQ module continuously monitors and adjusts the slider positions as required. The intelligent onboard module ensures optimized compressor operation. It also provides multi-step protection, simple communication, intelligent data logging, and advanced analysis capabilities. FactoryHelp Spare Parts supplier provides a range of high-quality accessories. Matched couplings ensure smooth power transmission with low vibration. The coupling housing allows quick and precise motor installation without extensive alignment. These screw compressors expand application possibilities and deliver cooling capacities up to 1,250 kilowatts. The OSA 95 series includes 4 models with displacement ranging from 700 to 1,015 cubic meters per hour at 2,900 revolutions per minute. Speed-controlled operation increases cooling capacity by up to 40% compared to standard operation. These compressors are suitable for global use. FactoryHelp Spare Parts supplier provides reliable and high-efficiency solutions for demanding applications in industrial refrigeration, air conditioning, and heat pump systems. Confidence comes from knowledge. Learn with us. Become an expert in industrial solutions.